Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be breaking down the ticker AMD and giving it price targets and analysis on where we should be seeing this stock in the near future. So to get straight into it, we can see AMD has been having a good momentum pump lately and pushed all the way up to $122. Now we started to pull back and we're starting, well, it looks like we may be continuing this up move as we're up around 4% today. So with AMD, it's broke this third deviation, which on a statistical basis the stock only trades outside of there 0.03% at the time, because within this green band, which is the third deviation, within these areas here, the stock should be within this 99.7% at the time. So with AMD coming out of here and then quickly doing a turn once it hits that fourth deviation was not a surprise. However, you can see it's starting to continue its uptrend back up to this third deviation. What was most likely going to happen is, as we've bounced off the second deviation, we'll retest this third deviation and most likely fail back down. However, we could always break through, as obviously you can never say anything is 100% certain, and if we do, we will most likely stop this movement around that all-time high at around $121 to $123 area. However, what's more likely is we'll retest this 112.50 area, continue down, break through this 105 level, and retrace back to around a $95, $94 level. The reason I'm giving that $95, $94 price target is three main reasons. If you look on the 4-hour, 180 day, that will be right around the first deviation, so we could just kind of hug that the first deviation on the 4-hour. Same thing on the daily, it will be right around that first deviation. If we come back down to this 95 area, we will be back within the bands, and so that is most likely what will happen. The last reason we have that price target is if you come over to the daily chart or the 4-hour, you can use either. We have an area of support and resistance around this $94 to $95 area. As you can see, we keep coming back to test this, so this is most likely where we will retrace to in this pullback. So $95 to $94 is the main target. So if you're maybe short price on it, that would be where I would be looking to cover. If you're looking to get long, I probably wouldn't recommend getting long in that area, because this is most likely just where we'll start to consolidate. So if you're looking to get on long on it, I would have more price targets of around the low 80s, so around $81.25 to around $79. However, these will move, and probably by the time AMD pulls back to this $95 level, these areas will change, and it may be actually a bit higher, around $82. So in summary, I do think in the next few days, probably within the next week, we will see AMD back at this $95, $94 level. If it breaks through further, which wouldn't be super unsurprising, because usually when stocks get a big pump, they usually become oversold before retracing back to their kind of mean, which could be $95 in this case. So a good buy area would be $81 to around $79. If you're maybe shorting right now, a good area to lock in profits, which is considered more low risk, would probably be around that $95 to $94 area. If you want to be even a bit more conservative on the short, covering profits at about 97, 98 would be the safest option, as we could always have a bounce off that $97 level. So that's it on AMD. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you in the next one, and that's it. Peace.